Hello everybody, welcome. Now, I haven't replied to any comments the last few days. I've been really ill. Still not very well now, still feel terrible. I don't know if it's the sun's got to me all last week or what, but I just feel absolutely awful. So, I thought today I'm going to do something nice and simple. I will catch up with the comments, but I've just been terrible, man. I've just been lying on the settee, really bad. I'm really thirsty and I don't know what it is, it's just terrible. But anyway, today I'm going to be doing slim cook. That was £2.50 each. There's a prawn one and there's a chicken and vegetable chow mein. That's 310 calories for the whole lot, and that is 307 calories for the whole lot. Say £2.50 each from Tesco's. I thought because I don't feel well and I don't fancy cooking, I just thought I'd do something like this. So let's open them up and let's have a look. Right, which one should we start off with first? Let's do the chicken and vegetable chow mein. That looks quite nice, but the box always deceiving in it. There's all your stuff. It's low in saturated fat. The whole lot per pack is, what's that, 310 calories. They microwave or oven, we're just going to go in the microwave. So, microwave and frozen, 800 watts, 6 minutes. Peel back film lid. Stir recover for another 5 minutes. So that's easy enough. There's all the nutrition and that, if you want to have a look at all that. That's that one. Let's open it up. Oh God, you get quite a lot in there, don't you? God, it's full to the brim. It's full to the brim. Wow. I'm going to do that one first. We'll open that one after I've done this one. So otherwise, if we're doing both together, one's going to go cold in it. So I'll do this one first anyway. So you say pierce the thing or anything? Where is it? I'll put my glasses on. Remove the outer packaging and pierce the film lid. Yeah. So I'll pierce that. I'll get that in the microwave, then I'll bring you back when it's halfway through, and then we'll give it a stir, get it back in, we'll do that one and then do that one after. Right, that's at 6 minutes. Let's take it out, let's give it a stir, peel the thing back. I can't really smell anything yet. But it looks quite nice actually, to be fair. There's a few bits of chicken in there, look. Oh, I can smell it now, and it does smell quite nice actually. Put that back. Well, I'll get that back in for another 5 minutes, I think it says. Was it 5 minutes? Let's have a look. Yeah, another 5 minutes. Put it in for another 5. I'll put the other one back in the freezer for a minute so it doesn't start defrosting. And I'll bring you back when that's done. Right, that's done. Boiling up, gotta be careful. Get it on there. Smells quite nice, to be fair. Mmm. Oh yes. Get that off. Give it another little mix. Got quite a lot of noodles and it's got quite a lot of chicken. It's got quite a lot of veg in there as well. So let's dish it up. Let's get it on the plate. Mix it all in. Don't forget this is what, 310 calories this is. Quite a lot there, look. quite a lot. But I say, it's all in the taste. Let's give it a taste. So I say, which one's this again? Chicken and vegetable chow mein. Tesco's, £2.50. The chicken. Very plain, but it's diet stuff in it, so it's going to be less stuff in it and less salt and that. Oh, that's hot. As you can tell, there's no seasoning in it or anything really. But for £2.50, I'm not going to eat it all because I don't feel up to it. Taste the cabbage and everything in it. For £2.50, and if you're on a diet, 310 calories for that one. Stick it in your freezer. If you do get peckish, instead of having a couple of chocolate bars or something, get one of these. It'd fill the spot, wouldn't it? So for the money, it's a thumbs up for me. A little bit plain, but it's diet stuff. On to the next one now. Well, I've got this one back out of the freezer. This one's prawn linguine. 307 calories, this one. So it is for the old pack. Each pack contains, you know. There's all the stuff. Low in saturates. The same as the other one. Cooked from frozen, 12 minutes. £2.50 again. It's cooked the same, 6 minutes and 5 minutes. Yeah, it's cooked exactly the same. Low in saturates, high in protein. There's all the nutrition value if you want to see that. There's all the ingredients. But yeah, let's open it up and see. So I'm a bit lethargic, I just don't feel right at all. There's that one. So they're quite filling. There's quite a lot in there, to be fair, don't you? So let's give this one a pierce. And we'll get that one in the microwave for 6 minutes. Take it out, stir it, back in for 5 again. And we'll see. Right, that's had 6 minutes. Let's get this one out. There's that one. Peel it back. And the plastic peeled back easily. So that's a good sign. Still a bit frozen, this one, you can feel it. Smells quite nice though. A bit watery though, this one. I suppose that's the tomato, ain't it? Does smell nice though. I'll get that back in for another 5. Right, this one's done. So this extra 5. Oh, this one seems to have splattered a little bit. There we go. And it smells quite nice now actually, to be fair. A lot more watery though. A lot more watery. Give it a stir. Not so many prawns in this one. Well, what do you expect? Prawns are expensive, ain't they? So well, that's it. And you do get quite a lot. Well, let's get it on a plate. See all the tomato juice in it, look. But I mean, it's filled the plates, big plates they are as well, and it's filled them. So let's give that a taste test. So this one was 307 calories, that one, for the whole lot. And this one smells quite nice. Let's try prawn first. Oh, they're hot. A little bit, oh, it's got a little bit of a kick to that one. A little bit chewy, that one. That one's got a lot more flavour. That's got a nice little kick to it as well. That's quite nice. Them tomatoes are nice as well. Let's try another prawn because the other one was a bit chewy. Maybe an extra minute less I suppose. But my microwave's only it's an 800, so, and that's what it says. I like that. That's very nice. £2.50. That's lovely. It's better than the other one. It's got a lot more flavour. And plus I suppose with the other one you can put a bit of chilli sauce on it or something. Sriracha sauce or something, or some jalapeno peppers in there. Just to give you that extra bit of, because the other one was really bland. Well, there you go, for £2.50 each. If you are on a diet, instead of going in your cupboards, getting a chocolate bar and a pack of crisps, put one of them in your freezer. Or take them to work. 11 minutes, bang, done. And that one's quite nice. The other one, the chicken and vegetable chow mein, is a little bit bland for my liking. But are they worth the £2.50? Well, I think so nowadays because everything's gone up. Probably 12 months ago, they'd probably be £1.50. But they are quite nice. Would I buy them if I was on a diet? 100% I would, yeah. 100%. Especially this prawn one. This prawn one's really tasty. Yeah, that's thumbs up for me for both of them. What's the make of them? Just say Slim Cook, Tesco's, so I don't know whether that's the make or what. I think it's just Tesco's own brand diet stuff in it. Well, there you go. Nice little one to get me started again. I do feel absolutely terrible. So if you do like content like this, give us a like, give us a subscribe. I will catch up with all your comments. I might be having an hour on the set or something. I just feel terrible. Till the next time, I'll see you later. Bye bye. I think I'll have a bit more of that. Sweat it out of me, whatever I've got. It's lovely. Cool one's really nice. Bye bye.